Hey curl friends, it's Nay and welcome to my channel, Nay Does Natural. Stay tuned to see how I achieved a super defined twist out using only one product. No matter what style I desire, I start with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. Here I'm using my rat tail comb to divide my hair into two sections and rubber band off the top section. I personally prefer to start with the back. I like each flat twist section to be about an inch or so wide, so I part accordingly. Then I use my clip to section off the excess hair. I use about 2.5 pumps of the Doux Mousse Def, which I absolutely love. Oh, and did I mention it smells amazing. Then I detangle using my dimming brush. Always start at the ends and detangle upwards towards your scalp. This is the way to reduce tension and stress on your hair. I start by grabbing a small piece of hair at the very top and dividing it into two sections. I grab the left section of hair and twist it over the right. As I grab each left section, I am also grabbing additional hair before twisting it over. This grab and twist method is what makes the flat twist flat into your scalp. Get it? Flat twist. If I feel my hair tangling as I go, I like to use my dimming brush to smooth. If you desire a defined twist out, it is important to smooth as you go. Once I have no excess hair to add to the twist, I like to detangle using my dimming brush one more time. Then I loosely twist until there's about an inch remaining at the end of my hair. I take that inch and I smooth it around the edge of my finger. Now for this top. My grab and twist method is the same at the top, but it is important to part your hair based on the way that you want it to fall. If you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Whew! Now that that's over, it is important to let them dry overnight. I personally prefer to let them dry for about 3 or 4 hours before laying down so that the twists don't come out super flat. And I will be back tomorrow for the takedown. After letting my hair dry overnight, I'm ready to begin the takedown process. I start by applying oil. Today I'm going to be using Folliepop by Tamara hair. I start by applying the oil to my scalp. It is important to rub it in as you go. Otherwise, you will walk around looking like you're in the middle of a hot flash with oil running down your face. And we definitely don't need that, curl friends. Then I take a generous amount in my hand and apply it to each flat twist. So now for the takedown. My biggest piece of advice is to take your time. If you look closely, My hair is already separated based on the finger parts I made while doing the twist. It's important to follow these parts so that you can maintain and keep your definition. I also like to smooth my hair at the ends by twirling each piece around my finger. It is important throughout this process that your hands are very well moisturized. So here you see me adding oil to my fingertips. This adds slip and makes for an easier takedown. For more natural hair gems, check out my natural hair blogs on Instagram. Once all my twists are out, I like to separate my curls a bit to hide the parts. Then I go in with my pick to lift my roots and add volume. The relationship between volume and definition are a give and take. For example, the more volume you add by picking, the less definition. If you would like to maintain definition over time, I would suggest less picking during the takedown process because your twist out will naturally gain volume the older it gets. Next, I like to add bobby pins to define my part and hold certain curls in place.